Hello, I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. Today, let us have revision under what we call bearing, particularly the question which came in the year 2021 to those who are writing GCE. So, according to the question, the saying, study the diagram below. Therefore, find the bearing of A from C. So, we are going to stand on C going to what? To A. Are we getting the point? So, we stand from. So, we are going to stand on C. This is C. Then we draw a straight north like this. Then, after drawing a straight north, we are going to stand on top of the north by moving clockwise. So, how do we move clockwise? On top of the north, moving clockwise to where A is in a clockwise direction. I guess we can see that. And now, my question is that what is the distance from this part to this part? Before we understand the question very well, we can kindly simplify out what we call this structure that we have as a triangle. This triangle is called an isosceles triangle. So an isosceles triangle, it is the triangle that is having all the base angles which are equal or the same. So an isosceles triangle is the triangle that is having the base angles which appears to be the same. So here we are provided 100. So we are going to say 180, which makes up the interior angle, then minus 100. Then now once we subtract, we are going to be having 80. So this 80, because this angle and this angle is the same, because it is having an it's like the isosceles triangle. So this angle and this angle appears to be the same. We are going to say divided by 2, right? Because this angle and this angle are equal. So if we try to divide by 2, we are going to be having 40 this side and 40 this side. Are we getting the point here? I guess we can see that. Now, what are we going to do from there? We are going to move, since we are required to find the bearing of A from C. So where we stand on C going to A, standing on top going in a clockwise direction. My question is that, do we know the distance from this part to this part? The answer is yes, it is 100 and what? 80. Then now, do we know the distance from this part to this part? We don't know. So where you don't know, what do you reconsider, or what do you see? You see what you call the Z property. So according to this, we are going to use the Z property like this. This is the Z property. So where you can see the Z property. Where you can't see the angle being formed, just reconsider the Z property. So if this is 32 plus 40, which is giving us 72. So this is 72. Then also this is 70 what? 72, right? 72 from there. So if this is 72, also this is 72. So we are going to say 180 plus 72, right? We are going to say 180 plus 70 what? 180 plus 72. The answer we are going to be having is what? What is 180 plus 72? The answer it is 252. That is the answer. So this is the way on how we answer the first one. Now, what is the other question? They're saying, find the bearing of C from B. Where are we going to stand? We stand on B moving clockwise. So this is B. I'm going to draw a knot. I'm going to draw a straight knot. J. A straight knot like this. Okay. So moving clockwise to where C is. We are going to move like this clockwise to where C is. You can see that. Okay, so what are we going to do exactly? What you are going to do here is something that is very simple. We are going to say what is the distance from this part to this part. And as I mentioned, where you don't see, what do you see? The Z property. So here there is the Z property that is being formed like this. Like this. This is the Z property. Okay, this is the Z property like this. So this one from here to here, it is 100 plus 72. It is 172. And this appears to be 172 like that. It means that we are done. So here it is 172. That's the way on how we answer this kind of a question. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on that video. This has been your tutor, Mr. Arabi. Bye bye.